If you own a Ford 6.7 Powerstroke, you know how frustrating it can be to experience cooling system failure. Don't let a compromised cooling system get you down. Replace your secondary radiator with the XDP Extra Cool Direct Fit Replacement Secondary Radiator. The XD467 is the perfect option to replace your old, worn-out radiator. It's designed as a direct fit replacement that's lower in cost than most other new radiators. The XDP Extra Cool radiators are constructed from only the highest quality material to maintain a factory fit, finish, and function, and features a high-density, multi-louvered design to maximize cooling efficiency. Installing the XD467 is a breeze. It's a direct fit replacement that requires no modifications to your existing cooling system. With the XDP Extra Cool Direct Fit Replacement Secondary Radiator, you can be sure your engine stays cool. Don't let a failed radiator slow you down. Switch to the XDP Extra Cool Direct Fit Replacement Secondary Radiator today and learn more at xdp.com or contact a local dealer near you.